This video will demonstrate how to test high-frequency communication generation with the ATEQ. To configure the HF Comm generation test, select Tests from the top navigation bar. Under the test list select HF Comm, and then Generate. From this page, you will need to specify your current testing configuration. Select the desired frequency. Increase the RF level until a valid signal is reached with the communication system. Turn the 1020 Hz tone on or off. And set the mode to upper sideband or amplitude modulation. Make sure that if you are using an external antenna or a direct connection that the EANT or DRCT tabs are selected. Otherwise, the test will be conducted using the internal antenna. When the configuration is complete, select Run. This will send a continuous signal to your communication system based on the test parameters. Note that you can also modify the parameters on the ATEQ while the test is running, and the communication system will react accordingly. The pass-fail criteria will be based on the associated airframe, avionics manufacturer, and regulatory requirements. Once the results have been observed, select Cancel to conclude the test. You should now feel equipped to conduct your own HF Comm generation test with the ATEQ.